All right, let's get ready. Everybody take your flashlights and get to your station. Let's take off.
This is the story of a young girl who was with this chicken town. They call her Big Noise from Winnetka. This bird is sure to get around. Big Noise doing from Winnetka. The Big Noise, you're right out again. Stop, look, listen, here comes the Big Noise. Stop, look, listen, here comes the Big Noise. Welcome to another foul evening with the divine Miss M. After many a summer dies a swan, but not when they're stuck in a turkey as big as this one. Watch us as we scratch and claw our hour upon the stage in yet another feeble-minded attempt to turn chicken shit into chicken salad. Make no mistake about it, eggs will be laid tonight. Ain't that right, girls? Oh, my girls. My three favorite tchotchkes on the break front of life. I'll never forget the first time I found these girls selling their papayas on 42nd Street. So flush, so filthy. The astonishing verbal abuse they heaped upon me made me certain we were destined to share the stage someday. Not only are my girls fine singers and dancers, not only are they gorgeous and talented, but they also think I'm God. Ain't that right, girls? They function as a Greek chorus. These girls don't know shit about Euripides, but they know plenty about Trojans. Ladies and gentlemen, a rousing hand for the semi-classical harlots, ladies! All right, girls. Sing them your siren song. Go ahead. Turn them men into pigs. Not the band, you idiots. That bunch right over there in the front row. Not much of a challenge, huh? This group is already well on its way to Oink Oink Land. Oops, so sorry. Once again behaving in a manner I had sworn to eschew. Thank you. Once again falling into the vat of vulgarity. Oh, tut-tut. I just want to leave my sordid past behind and emerge from this project bathed in a new and ennobling light. I wanted to come out and be this sweet, pure, honest, unadorned person that I really, really am. I wanted to show you the good beneath the gaudy, the saint beneath all this paint, the sweet, pure, winsome little soul that lurks beneath this lurid exterior. But fortunately, just as I was about to rush down the path to respectability and righteousness, a wee small voice called out to me in the night and reminded me of the motto by which I've always tried to live my life. Fuck 'em if they can't take a joke!